For your hair to grow and stay healthy, it needs to be constantly moisturized. Now in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very simple and potent Ayurvedic hair growth butter that will grow your hair massively and keep it moisturized and also healthy. These are the ingredients I'll be using. First is the rosemary. Rosemary promotes blood circulation in the scalp, thereby improving hair growth and strength. Cloves. Cloves has a lot of benefits, but I'll just be listing a few. It fights dandruff. It also stimulates blood circulation to the scalp. Then fenugreek reduces hair loss, restores shine, prevents dandruff, and also strengthens the hair. Shea butter will act as my base, so it moisturizes the hair, prevents damage, and reduces scalp irritation. It also strengthens the hair. Then the highlight of shea butter here is if you need curl definition, you should also be trying shea butter always. Coconut oil reduces protein loss. It prevents hair damage and adds natural shine to your hair. It also fights dandruff. The next product I also use is olive oil. Olive oil reduces dandruff. It deep conditions your hair, tames frizz, and protects against damage. Palm kernel oil, which is the ancient oil, soothes scalp conditions, adds shine, that is natural shine, enhances elasticity, reduces hair loss, promotes growth as well. Using a different bowl, I'm mixing all the dry ingredients together. So the measurement is 2 spoons each. 2 spoons of fenugreek, 2 spoons of rosemary, and then 2 spoons of the cloves. I don't want them to be too much. The ingredients will be small. Everything is going to be small because I don't want the final product to be too much. I love making them fresh. So I'll make a little. When it finishes, I'll make another one for my hair. So after mixing everything together, I noticed that the electric blender that I planned using might not be able to tolerate the dry ingredients, and of course I don't want to spoil the blender, so I decided to use my mortar instead.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl.
Now it's time to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. I added my shea butter, which is not too much, just a little of it. Then my coconut oil came in. My olive oil was the next, and then the palm kernel oil.
In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime,
it's not going well, I want it.
It's some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
it's not going well, I want it.
It's some me time.
You do what you want. Now this is the deal. Make sure the heat you are using to heat this up is a very low heat, and then allow it to heat up for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how much you want the ingredient to infuse inside the oil.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
I let it cool down a bit because the next thing I'll be doing here is to squeeze out the oil from the shaft. So this is the container I'll be using for the result I will get. Please like this video if you are yet to like the video, and then if you are confused in any part of this video, please let me know in the comment section. And then when you are done watching the video and you find out that it's so helpful to you, please make sure you share this video. Sharing and engaging on this video will make YouTube to recommend it to more people, because it shows that it's valuable to you, so they will need more people to see it. Don't fuck me up, don't let me After a vigorous squeezing, because this is a great exercise for the triceps and the biceps muscles, so I left the shaft in the other container because I'm going to still be using it. I will soak it later and use the water that will come out of it to be spraying on my hair every morning. That is something else, by the way. So I tried the oil on my skin to see how far it's going to do with my skin, and it came out so nice. It left my skin so moisturized and oiled, and it still smells so good. The natural herbs there smell so good. Next is to put it inside the fridge so that it can freeze a bit, but then not too much, just about 20 to 30 minutes. Check your time properly so it won't be too frozen. If you are still watching to this moment, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this channel. I added a few drops of the Ayurvedic hair oil I made before. So after adding them, I mixed everything together thoroughly before pouring the products in the container I'll be using. Let me know if you are confused in any part, anything that you don't get, or you are confused on any part. Please call my attention back in the comment section below. And also, please like and share this video. You know, with the likes and share, it will be telling YouTube that you love the video and it's valuable to you, so that they can also send it to more people to watch. Thank you. Now watch how I use this Ayurvedic hair growth to moisturize my hair.
let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so